kind of an American dream because I came to this country with no language and no money. And now I own a nice business. We employ veterans and active law enforcement. And because of that, we created something for this group to show our appreciation.
Oh,
so
that is awesome.
It's made out of an African exotic called Wengi. This is ambrosia maple. And here's Sheriff Mark Lamb.
Oh,
a gun cabinet.
Yes.
And
leather inside.
Yeah, and it fits comfortably. A shotgun, an AR-15, a couple of handguns, a few magazines.
And this is awesome.
This is the lock. That's your.
Thank you.
You're very
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is awesome.
Early designs.
If you guys come feel this, you can feel the wave.
We hand grind the waves into it with chainsaws, basically, starting with chainsaws. And
you put like 6 packs of beer, soda in here.
You could.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Beautiful. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Wow. Let's see. Beautiful.
This is ambrosia maple. This is a curly ambrosia maple, actually, which is more kind of a rare piece to come by. It opens with the RFID card reader.
I'm at a loss for words. Thank you.
You're so kind. Thank you, Bob. But sir, if you don't mind me saying, you came here from Hungary. You're a Hungarian patriot for sure, but you're a huge U.S. patriot too, supporting law enforcement, military like you do. And I love that. That is the nicest gift I've ever had. All right.